Today, we're turning our attention to Sezim, one of the most popular holiday destinations in the Aegean. With its azure bays, golden beaches, historic streets, beaches famous for windsurfing, and unique Aegean flavors, Sezim captivates millions of visitors every year. In this video, we will share transportation, accommodation, places to visit, beaches, food and drink recommendations, and all the important information you need to know. If you're ready, let's start exploring Sezim together. So, where does the name Sezim come from? The name of the district comes from the numerous natural water sources and historical fountains along the roadsides in the region during the Ottoman period. Over time, these fountains became a symbol of the region, and the settlement began to be called Sezim. Today, it is possible to see many historical fountains in and around the district center that have survived from the past to the present. So, where exactly is this popular pearl of the Aegean located? Sezim is located on the westernmost tip of Izmir, Turkey's third largest city, on the peninsula bearing its own name. Surrounded on three sides by the clear waters of the Aegean Sea, this charming district is so close to Chios Island in Greece that you could almost wave to it. Getting to Sezim is quite easy. Visitors arriving by private car can reach the district in about an hour from the city center via the Izmir-Sezim highway. Those who prefer public transport can easily reach Sezim with regular bus services departing from Izmir Intercity Bus Terminal or Eshed buses departing from Izmir's Feritin Altay Transfer Center. For those traveling by air, the nearest airport is Izmir Adnan Menderes Airport. From the airport, you can rent a car and reach Sezim in approximately 1 to 1.5 hours using Hava, Izbin, bus connections, or transfer services. For those who prefer sea travel, there are regular ferry services from Sezim International Port to Chios Island in Greece. Thanks to this feature, Sezim is an important transit point for both domestic and international travel. If you've made your Sezim plans, now it's time for the most important question: where to stay in Sezim? This beautiful peninsula offers so many options to suit every budget and every vacation style. The important thing is what kind of vacation you envision. Let's take a look at the most popular accommodation areas in Sezim together. If you want to wake up in the shade of stone houses, in streets adorned with bougainvillea, and be right in the heart of Sezim's famous nightlife, then Alakati is definitely the place for you. This area is famous for its stone mansions with unique architecture and charming boutique hotels. Alakati hotels are perfect for starting the day with completely organic Aegean breakfasts and stepping straight into the lively streets in the evening. If you're someone who says, "I can't stay away from the sea, I want my hotel to be right on the beach," then you should head to the Ilika or Boyalik regions. Especially for families with children and those who don't compromise on comfort, the large resort hotels, 5-star facilities, and all-inclusive concepts in these areas are quite popular. Moreover, Ilika's spa hotels with healing thermal waters are great alternatives for those who want to both relax and rejuvenate. If you are looking for easily accessible, close to everything, and relatively more economical options, Sezim Center and the Marina area are perfect for you. For evening walks on the beach, having coffee opposite the historical Sezim Castle, and tasting Aegean flavors in local restaurants, the central hotels or apart guesthouses here offer an ideal and budget-friendly option. And what about those who are looking for a peaceful fishing village atmosphere away from the crowds? We haven't forgotten them either. Dalyan, representing the tranquil face of Sezim, and Ilder Village, famous for its breathtaking sunset views, are among the hidden havens for those who want to escape the crowds with their peaceful boutique hotels. We've arrived in Sezim and sorted out our accommodation. But how will we fill our days here? Don't worry, you won't have a second to be bored in Sezim. From adrenaline junkies to those seeking tranquility, we've listed the most enjoyable activities you can do on this beautiful peninsula. The first thing that comes to mind when you think of Sezim is undoubtedly its famous wind. You can windsurf at Alicante Kark Beach, considered one of the best surfing spots in the world, or experience kitesurfing, dancing with the waves, at Perlanta Beach. If you've never tried it before, you can take a few hours of basic training from the surf schools in the area and share in this excitement. Sezim Sea is a paradise, not just its land. By joining daily boat tours departing from Sezim Center or Dalian, you can swim in fascinating spots such as Izek Island, Mavai Koi, and Aquarium, which are inaccessible by road. Snorkeling in the clear waters is one of the most enjoyable moments of these tours. After enjoying the sea during the day, our route takes us to the colorful streets of Alicante. Walking among the stone houses, browsing the design shops, and taking wonderful photos in front of the Bougainvillea are must-do activities in Sezim. When night falls, you can enjoy the fun until the first light of dawn in Sezim's world-famous beach clubs and Alicante's concept venues. If you say, "I also love history," you should definitely visit the majestic Sezim Castle. You can climb the castle's battlements and admire the endless Aegean view, and visit the archaeology museum inside. You can also go to the ancient city of Erythrai to trace the traces of antiquity, and end the day with a breathtaking sunset view. Finally, it's time to pamper yourself. You can relax in the healing thermal waters of Ilica, bubbling up from the sea, and then reward this wonderful day by tasting Sezim's famous kumru, a type of sandwich, and mastic ice cream. Now we come to the most talked about, dream-worthy part of Sezim, Sezim's most beautiful beaches and bays. Stretching from golden sands to turquoise seas, each of these beaches, with their unique characteristics, will give you a Maldives-like atmosphere. Here are the most popular beaches in Sezim where you can enjoy the sea to the fullest. Ilica Beach. We start with Sezim's undisputed most iconic beach, Ilica Beach. With its miles of fine sand and shallow sea resembling a swimming pool, this is a natural wonder. What makes Ilica special is the healing thermal waters bubbling up from the sea. Thanks to this, the water is always warm and relaxing. Ilica is a paradise, especially for families with children and those who love shallow seas. Our second beach is Ayayorgi Bay. If you are looking for a calm sea unaffected by the wind and plenty of fun, then Ayayorgi Bay is the place for you. Completely protected from the famous winds of Sezim, this bay is famous for its calm and crystal clear water. During the day, you can sunbathe and enjoy the sea at luxury beach clubs, and in the evening, you can step into the fun with the rhythm of the music. Our third beach is Perlanta Beach. Next up is a magnificent beach named after its sands that sparkle like diamonds, Perlanta Beach. Located in the southwest of Sezim, this beach is world famous for kitesurfing, due to its constantly blowing strong winds and wavy sea. A meeting point for enthusiasts. With its natural and unspoiled atmosphere, it's also a great alternative for those who want to get away from the crowds. Our beach, Altinkum Beach. If you're someone who says, "I don't like warm seas, cool waters revive me," then your destination should definitely be Altinkum Beach. This beach, which has the cleanest and clearest waters in Sezim, takes its name from its sparkling golden sand. Because it faces the open sea, the water is a little cooler than other beaches in Sezim, but entering that turquoise, smooth sea will make you forget all your fatigue. Our beach, Delikli Koy. Finally, we're going to Delikli Koy, that hidden sanctuary in nature. With its natural tunnel formed by the erosion of white limestone cliffs by the waves, this bay is the most photogenic place in Sezim. This unspoiled bay, where there are no businesses, is a favorite address especially for camping enthusiasts, and those who want to be alone with nature and watch the magnificent sunset. Sezim is one of the gastronomic destinations where you can find the most delicious examples of Aegean cuisine. It boasts a rich culinary culture that caters to every taste, from seafood and olive oil-based dishes to street food and gourmet restaurants. If you want to start your day with a delicious breakfast, Kapari Bas in Alicante is one of the most preferred addresses with its natural products and extensive breakfast spread. Another popular option, Noni's House, is highly appreciated for its stone courtyard and homemade delicacies. You can't leave Sezim without trying the famous kumru, a type of sandwich. Kumru Hussein, Kumru Sevki, and Kumru Hikmet are among the most popular places to try this delicacy. Their generously filled and piping hot kumru have remained a favorite among visitors for years. When it comes to seafood, the Dalian region stands out. Ferdi Baba Restaurant, with its fresh fish and rich variety of mezes appetizers, is one of the best-known fish restaurants in Sezim. Also located in Dalian, Koz Balik is among the preferred places with its quality seafood and sea view. For those who want to take a sweet break, the Mastic ice cream parlors and boutique patisseries serving in the streets of Alicante are must-visit stops. You can also discover the unique aroma of the Aegean by trying Mastic-flavored Turkish coffee in third-wave coffee shops. In short, whether you want to taste traditional Aegean cuisine or are looking for modern flavors, Sezim is a very rich destination in terms of gastronomy with its quality restaurants and friendly venues that appeal to every palate. Sezim is one of Turkey's most vibrant holiday destinations with its nightlife as well as its daytime activities. Especially in the summer months, the district takes on a completely different atmosphere with the sunset. Restaurants, beach clubs, bars, and nightclubs lined up along the coast offer entertainment until the first light of dawn. The heart of the nightlife undoubtedly beats in Alicante. Live music venues, stylish cocktail bars, and entertainment spots stretching along the stone streets host thousands of visitors every evening. Those who want a quieter evening can sit in street cafes, listen to live music, and enjoy the romantic atmosphere of Alicante. For those seeking more energetic entertainment, Ayorgi Bay is one of the first stops. Many venues that serve as beach clubs during the day transform into large open-air entertainment areas in the evening with DJ performances, concerts, and special events. Especially during the summer season, famous DJs from Turkey and around the world perform here. One of the popular venues that comes to mind when it comes to entertainment is Before Sunset Beach. With its sunset parties and electronic music events, it is one of the most preferred addresses, especially for young people. Soul and Mare Beach Club combines the pleasure of the beach during the day with live DJ performances in the evening. Bohem Beach stands out with its stylish concept and seaside atmosphere, while Flyin' Beach stands out with the concerts it organizes throughout the season and performances by famous artists. Concerts, festivals, and special events held during the summer months also add a different color to Sezem's nightlife. Especially in July and August, it is possible to come across a different event almost every evening. If you want to add a little more color to your holiday in Sezem, there are many beautiful routes you can explore within a short distance. You can organize day trips to many different destinations, from historical villages to ancient cities, from islands to natural beaches. One of the first places you should visit when you come to Sezem is undoubtedly Alicante. With its colorful stone houses, narrow streets adorned with bougainvillea, boutique shops, art studios and charming cafes, Alicante stands out as one of the most photogenic towns of the Aegean. With its lively atmosphere at all hours of the day, it provides enjoyable moments for its visitors. Builder Village, located approximately 20 kilometers away, is one of the places that history enthusiasts should definitely see. The ancient city of Erythrai, located here, offers visitors both history and nature together with its thousands of years old ruins and its view overlooking the Aegean Sea. For those who want to spend time alone with nature, Germian Village is a beautiful alternative. With its organic products, stone houses, calm atmosphere and local flavors, it is among the routes preferred especially by those who want to get away from the crowds. Sea lovers can explore Delikli Bay, Izek Island, Akvarium Bay, and the beautiful surrounding bays by joining day trips on boats. These bays, with their turquoise waters and crystal clear waters, offer a unique experience for those who want to swim and snorkel. For those wishing to take a short trip abroad, there's also a great option. After about a half-hour ferry ride from Sezem Port, you can reach Chios Island in Greece. With its historic streets, traditional villages, and unique cuisine, Chios is a very popular destination for day trips. In short, Sezem is a holiday region that deserves to be explored not only for its own beauty but also for its historical, natural, and cultural routes in the surrounding area. By adding a few day trips to your holiday, you can experience the diverse beauties of the Aegean all at once. And with that, we've come to the end of our Sezem trip. With its azure bays, golden beaches, historical charm, cobblestone streets, unique Aegean cuisine, and vibrant life, Sezem is a special destination worth visiting in every season. Whether you're looking for a peaceful holiday or want to create unforgettable memories filled with sea and fun, Sezem offers everything you're looking for and more. I hope this video has been helpful in planning your trip and served as a great guide to exploring Sezem. In our next video, we will continue to explore the beautiful routes of Turkey together. Goodbye and keep exploring.